When I was young, I wanted to find a good career. I applied for many jobs, but nobody wanted to hire me. I had no experience, no money, and no connections. For months, I walked from place to place looking for work. Every rejection made me feel smaller. One day, I came home with only a few coins in my pocket. I looked at my old bicycle and thought, maybe I don't need to wait for someone to give me a job. Maybe I can create one for myself. I had always been good at repairing things. When I was a boy, I used to repair bicycles for my friends and neighbors. So I made a difficult decision. I borrowed a little money from a friend and rented a tiny room near the village road. I bought a few basic tools and opened a small bicycle repair shop. At first, it was hardly a business. Some days, only one customer came. Some days, nobody came at all. People told me, you won't make much money repairing bicycles. But I didn't listen. I learned how to repair more complicated problems. I began selling bicycle parts, tires, chains, and small accessories. Slowly, more people started coming to my shop. After a few years, I moved to a bigger place. I hired 2 young boys from the village and taught them the skills I had learned. My little repair shop had become a real business. Years later, I opened another shop in the next town. When I look back now, I realized that the biggest failure of my life was not being rejected from all those jobs. My biggest failure would have been giving up after those rejections. I thought I was looking for a job, but life was actually teaching me how to create one. So remember this, my child, sometimes, a closed door is not the end of your journey. It may be the reason you build your own door.